of energy, and we know that sound is measured, the unit of sound is hertz, that is cycle per second. It can be measured in decibel also. Today we are collecting the three musical instruments, that is, one is the mridung, second is piano, and third one is guitar. And we have to know about what is the sound, how much sound they can create, and we have to measure in the hertz. We have a mobile app that is measured in the hertz here, not in decibel. There are different applications are there, but now today we will see one by one what all the sound can make by this musical instrument. So first of all, this piano. All right. So there are 7 vocal cords in our music system. What is that? Very good. Now see here. What is the frequency?
520.
Take it change. How much?
753.
Okay. Now the mridung. How much it is?
349.
300.
49.
Now see the guitar. How much it is?
348.
बजाते रहो. Very good. So I hope you are understand today what is the hertz, what is the sound is making the its unit, and we are getting the knowledge about how much energy, how much frequency is found here. Thank you, all of you. Okay, let us read.